YouTube's new monetization rules quick summary. Effective July 15, 2025, YouTube is tightening its monetization rules to crack down on mass-produced, repetitive, and low-effort content. What's changing? Stricter checks on AI-generated or template-tied videos with little originality. Reused clips or repetitive formats without meaningful commentary may be amonetized. Repeat offenders risk lower visibility. Demonetization or removal from YPP. What's staying the same? YPP eligibility: 1K subscribers plus 4K watch hours in 12 months or 10M shorts views in 90 days. AI content is still allowed, but only if you add significant creativity, commentary, or context. Extra update: the F word is now allowed in the first 7 seconds without losing its revenue if used in context. Bottom line: keep your content original, engaging, and transformative to stay monetized. For more updates, please subscribe my channel at Short Prime News.